from Siyasa. There I used to give free training programs to the children. There I met Kurram sir. He's a great person, always positive attitude, which I didn't see anywhere. Only positive. Two words, very good, acha. Only these two words, acha. In meanwhile, I met Ghulam Abbas sir. He's a very great person. He's a spiritual person and a good human being. Very good human being. What sir is telling, whenever we meet, he used to tell some sentences from Quran. First word I learned, Ikra. Read. Telugu mein patinchi. The next word, Ilam. Education. Education value is known by Kurram sir's father. So from there, I attached to this school and I learned one more word, mathematics, Riyazi. So, spiritual quotient is most important. Here, the children, they are reciting about the Quran sentences. The positive vibration will be here. That positive vibration creates so many benefits to the world, not one person. If your mother is happy, you will be healthy. Your father is happy, you will be wealthy. If both are happy, you will get knowledge. So this is a knowledge center. I am coming regularly. Whenever I miss the classes, Abbas sir pushes, "Kab aa rahe aap?" Cool. So that made me attentive to come to the school. Thank you very much. Once again.